Hi everyone, Zivid SDK 2.17 has introduced for the first time a new barcode detection API that allows you to detect and decode barcodes in a 2D image, available for all Zivid cameras. If you work with an application where fast and reliable barcode reading is essential, this video is for you. You can easily test barcode detection using Zivid Studio. In this short tutorial, we'll walk you through how to do this in just a few steps. Let's start. As this is a new feature for Zivid 3D cameras, we are recommending the cameras that have the best spatial resolution to offer the most reliable results. This means the Zivid 2 Plus R series, in particular the MR130 and the MR60. We are going to be developing this feature to be even more capable across our camera lineup over time though, so watch out for that. For this particular demo, we will be using the MR60 camera model. First, ensure your camera is connected and ready in Zivid Studio. Place your barcode target in the camera view, and then for the best results, the barcode should be in focus, well exposed, and large enough in the image to be reliably decoded. As a good starting point for this, you should just use the Barcode 2D settings preset that you can find right here in Zivid Studio. Once the image is captured, just go to View, Show Barcodes, and this activates the barcode overlay, so you'll see the decoded barcodes visualized directly in the image. From now on, you're free to capture again or even go in live mode, and it will keep redetecting barcodes and showing them in the view. If you mouse over one of the detections, you will also see the format, the detected barcode. In this instance, it is an EAN13 barcode. By default, the detector will find and show you all supported barcode formats. However, it is recommended for optimal speed and reliability to select the particular format that you care about. In this instance, we happen to only have EAN13 barcodes in the scene. Hit View and then Configure, and then deselect all the formats that are not relevant to your application. This will ensure optimal performance for your particular barcodes, so your machine will not waste time trying to decode formats that you're not interested in. Supported formats for the Zivid barcode reader include European consumer goods such as EAN codes, American consumer goods such as UPC codes, industrial standards such as code 128, and we also support matrix or 2D codes such as QR code and data matrix. If nothing is detected, here are a few practical tips to optimize your image for barcode detection. First, keep the barcodes at a distance from the camera close to the optimal focus distance of that camera. Meaning for MR60, you should be approximately 60 centimeters away. Second, use the camera models that offer higher resolution if you are decoding small barcodes. Third, if you switch barcode targets frequently, remember to recheck that you have the correct format filter enabled. Also, check your image quality and, if necessary, adjust your capture settings. With these practices, you can achieve reliable barcode detection in your application. That's it. You've now seen how to set up barcode detection in Zivid Studio. Connect your camera, choose the correct capture preset, configure the correct barcode formats, and then just capture and read. If you need any help using the API, just check out our knowledge base. This page shows how to use the API in both C++ and Python. You can test the barcode reader in Studio for free. If you're planning production use, simply reach out to your Zivid sales contact for more information. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked this video. See ya!